In this video, I'm going to show you how to deploy a website on Netlify.com. First, head over to Netlify.com and sign up for a free account. If you already have one, just log in and you'll be taken to your dashboard. Now, Netlify allows you to drag and drop your site files, but they need to be in a .zip folder, so if your files aren't already zipped, just highlight them, right-click, and select Compress to Zip File. Give the file a name, and you're good to go. Next, drag your .zip file into the upload area on Netlify. Once you do, Netlify will automatically upload and process the files. After the upload finishes, you'll be taken to your new project page. From now on, you can always find it again by clicking Projects in your dashboard. Netlify will also give you a free subdomain automatically. Just click on it and you'll see your website live and hosted on the internet. And that's it. You've successfully deployed your website using Netlify. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more web hosting and website tutorials.